Hello friend, I welcome you to my channel, Lesser Graphics and Multimedia, and in today's video, you're going to learn how to create a simple slice text effect using your corelDRAW. So let's begin. So first thing first, you have to go to your type tools bar and select type tools. Then having select type tools, then you can make a type. Okay, so you can come to the font style here and change your font style. So I'm making use of made good time, and then you can come here and increase the font size to, let's say, 100%. Okay, so with that, you can press P to centralize the text. Now we can apply a background color. For you to do that, you have to come to your rectangle tools, double click on the rectangle tools to create a page border. Then you can apply color. Now we need to work on the text now to create our slice text effect in corelDRAW. So you have to fall back to the text. So we select the text, then you have to come to color palette right here and click on this point. So when you click on that, it's going to be invisible. So the next thing you have to do is to go back to the color palette again and right click on it. So right click on the black color, you have something like this. Okay, now you can apply your pen tools, select pen tools, and make a path. Okay, so once you make a path, then you have to come to your smart fill tools here, select your smart fill tools. So when you select your smart fill tools, then you have to fill in the top, then you now fill in the bottom. Okay, so we can delete the stroke now, select the stroke and delete. Then we have to select the top and press shift key and select this, select this, select this, select this, select this, and then you have to go to your menu bar here. Right here you have to select word, then it's become a single object. Then you can apply color white. All right, so we have to fall back to the bottom text, shift key and select this, shift key and select this, and shift key, select this, select this, select this, and wet. Okay, so we have to apply white color also. Now we have to select the top shape now and make it slide. This depends on how best you want your sliding to look like. Okay, so we can select the shape now and press delete key on our keyboard. Now you can see we have created the slice text. Then we can change the background color back to black. Okay, so we can select rectangle tools now and we'll draw a rectangle like this, and we can fill it with another color, and we can remove the stroke. Then the next thing you have to do is to look for your transparent tools right here. Select your transparent tools. So when you select your transparent tools, you can just drag just to show a little bit transparency. Okay, then you can take it to the top, and then you can easily rotate. You can rotate. Then you can make some adjustments. Then you can select the top text now, right click, and look for order, front page. Okay. So you can do something up right here. So select your pen tools. Close the part and then select the fade. and then look for trim. Simple as that. So we can come to the side here and do the cleanup right here also. So our pen tools, sorry, Ctrl Z. And you close the part. Then you select the transparent. And then you look for trim. Boom. So you can delete the shape. So it's as simple as that. So guys, this is how you can create a simple slice text effect using your corelDRAW. If you find value for this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also remember to subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks and interesting tutorial in corelDRAW. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.